And hello, and welcome to another episode of Shop Time with John. Anyway, that was special. All right, so had these scraps kind of sitting around, floating from workbench to workbench. I'm gonna make some coasters out of these. These are typically, I would just throw these in the scrap bin, and then they would never ever get used. But I'm gonna give these a proper send-off. Oh, that's squeaky. What is that? What we've got here is we've got two pieces of catalogs, and I just noticed that this one has a pretty gnarly crack in it, but that's all right. I think I can still work with that. And then we've got this piece of English brown oak, which I used a bit of that a couple months ago for a set of coasters, and I like that. Walnut, of course, and then a piece of mahogany. And so I'm gonna make a very small, limited run of these. It'll probably only be maybe 10 coasters out of this block. And I'm gonna give these away in maybe about a month, maybe 2 months, on my Instagram account. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you should go do that right now. I'll put my handle in the description. Tonight's dinner is brought to you by Mission Barbecue. We salute your stomach. That's actually not their slogan, and this video is not sponsored by Mission Barbecue. Coat number 2 has cured, and I'm going to move up to 600 grit in between coats now, and then apply the third coat, and yeah, we're at the halfway point on these. I spent way more time than I'm willing to admit making 2 of these fit in this space. And a lot of aggression also took place, and you would have to be here in person to notice just how deformed this one on the left is after I persuaded it to go into the gap. Now granted, the space is too small for both of them, but I did not let that fact dictate the outcome. Anyway, they're in there. It's great. Fantastic. These coasters are moving along nicely. I've profiled these already. And again, you got to follow me on Instagram. And in a couple weeks, a month, 2, 3, 4 months from now, I will give these away to one lucky person. There's 9 of them. And if you are out of the country, and by country, of course, I do mean the United States of America, expect that those shipping times will be a little bit longer. I can't say how much. Well, I don't know if you can see that. That's a pretty gnarly crack. Cadillac's is kind of a temperamental lady. I don't know if that's gonna buff out. So it might be 8 coasters in this set. I spoke too soon. Whoops. Let's give it a shot. No, it's not going to buff out. Oh well.